Alternation of generations. In plant kingdom, the lower plants, that is algae and bryophytes, have haploid plant body, and the higher plants, that is pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, have diploid plant body. The haploid plant produce gametes by mitosis. So the plant body is gametophyte. After fertilization, the zygote divides by mitosis to produce diploid sporophytic plant body. This plant produces haploid spores by meiosis. The diploid plant body is called sporophyte, which produces haploid gametes by meiosis. After fertilization, the diploid zygote developed into sporophytic plant body. Thus, during the life cycle of all sexually reproducing plants, there is an alternation of generations between gamete-producing haploid gametophyte and spore-producing diploid sporophyte. There are three alternation of generations. They are haplondic, diplondic, and haplodiplondic. Haplondic life cycle. Sporophytic generation is represented only by the one-celled zygote. There are no free-living sporophyte. Zygote divides meiotically to form haploid spores. Haploid spores divides mitotically to form the gametophyte plant body. This kind of life cycle is called haplondic because the major parts of its life cycle is haploid. Example, most of the algae. Diplondic life cycle. Here the diploid sporophyte is the dominant photosynthetic independent phase of the plant body. The single few-celled haploid gametophyte is not free-living and are short-lived. This kind of life cycle is called diplondic because the major parts of its life cycle is diploid. Example, gymnosperms and angiosperms. An alga fucus is haplondic. Haplodiplondic life cycle. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, there is an almost equal period of haploid and diploid life cycle. So this type of life cycle is called haplodiplondic life cycle. The algae, Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia are haplodiplondic. In bryophytes, the plant body is haploid gametophyte. When mature, they produce gametes directly by mitosis. After fertilization, the diploid zygote divides mitotically to form a sporophyte which is attached to the gametophyte. When mature, some cells in the sporophyte divide meiotically to form haploid spores which germinate to form the haploid gametophyte plant body. In pteridophytes, the plant body is diploid sporophyte. When mature, they produce haploid spores by reduction division. The spores germinate to form an independent heart-shaped gametophyte. When mature, they produce gametes. The gametes fuse to form zygote which develop into the sporophytic plant body.